Greetings, beautiful people. What is going on? Folks, how you doing? Right, so I've got an amazing recipe, right? So we got these, I'm going to ruin the photo now. Look, check this out, right? So we've got these incredible cinnamon buns. Oh! So we got these cinnamon swirl things. They're just bloody amazing, right? Now, this recipe was submitted by the amazing Erasmia Kyriakou, who actually sent me her brand new cookbook, right? And I was chuffed to receive this in the mail. I said to her, look, I want to try this stuff. And she was like, yes, let's do this. I was like, let's do this. So here we are today, right? Guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. My wife's on a diet. She's even having them. So, good stuff. Folks, if you like vegan food, vegetarian, plant-based, or no animals or animal products on my channel, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and I will love you for it. Ciao for now. Let's get cooking.
Okay, so first of all what we're going to do is get the brown sugar and the cinnamon, and you want to give them a nice mix so that it's an even consistency throughout. Once that's done, we're going to get our puff pastry straight from the fridge. Do not leave this out because the moment it starts getting warm, it becomes very hard to work with. Then you're going to spread your vegan butter on there. Do it on one side only. Okay, don't do it on both sides. I made that mistake and it just became really hard to work with. Then you're going to sprinkle your cinnamon and pecan nuts. Then you're going to add your second layer of puff pastry on top and just pat it down. And we're going to slice those into length or width, depends how big you want them. Now the first time round it's going to be a bit tricky, but you'll get the hang of it very quickly. You hang on to one end and you twist the other. That's it. Now don't worry about making these all look perfect because you'll see that once they bake, they sort of sort themselves out. So you don't actually have to worry, and it's a nice little artisan look. Plus, with all the sprinkles you're going to add at the end, it's going to mask any imperfections anyway. As you can see, look, I'm taking one out of the oven. Now you can see it looks fine. So don't worry about too much about making them look perfect. You'll get there. Then you're going to bake that in the oven, preheated, on 200 degrees C or 400 for 15 to 20 minutes. And that's it.
Folks, Erasmia Kyriakou, so she's released this amazing book, right? Folks, I'm going to show you some of the pages now, just so you can see what awaits in this wonderful book, right? Be sure to order it.
Okay, guys, right, so here we got the book. Just so you get an idea, she signed it for me. What a lovely girl. Right, now, acknowledgements. So just so you can get an idea of what's in here, right? So you've got breakfast, burgers, cakes, lots of cakes, main meals, just really, really good stuff, right? So let me just flick through the pages just so you can get an idea. Okay, like the photos are wonderful as well, everything's super good. And just in general, loads of lovely, lovely things. I do hope you get a chance to check this out, right? Just, yeah, wonderful. Folks, check it out, right? Erasmia Kyriakou, deliciously vegan. Let me just distance myself from this so you can see it for yourself. There you go. Again, a wonderful, wonderful book. That recipe is bloody amazing. Let's continue. Now, once those bad boys are out the oven, we're going to make our icing sugar mix. So it's literally just the icing sugar and a little bit of water, and then just give it a stir. And Bob's your uncle, as we say. Now, this is the way I've decorated it. I love cinnamon, so I'm just adding extra cinnamon onto the nuts. I'm going to pour extra cinnamon on top of them at the end. I just want that, the most American flavoured thing you could ever imagine. Just going to sprinkle my nuts. And you'll see I'll go in heavy on the cinnamon again. This is an amazing recipe, folks. You have to try this, honestly. So, so good. And there you have it, folks. Once again, a massive thanks to Erasmia from Deliciously Vegan. I'm going to put a link to her Instagram in the description down below so you can get to check that out for yourselves. Ciao for now, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you once again.